Guys, I found this underrated YouTube channel that's currently growing really fast. The name of the channel is Tappinest ASMR. The most surprising thing is you might not believe this, but this channel was created just 2 months ago. Within that short period, it has already gained around 23,000 subscribers and over 6 million views. If we take a look at the content on this channel, it's clear that all the videos are made using AI tools, and each one of them has received a good number of views. If we look at the most popular videos on this channel, we can see that even a video uploaded just 10 days ago has received around 700,000 to 800,000 views. Can you believe that? And it's just a very short video, less than a minute and a half long. Similarly, the other videos on the channel have also gained a good amount of views, clearly showing consistent performance. The best part is that this channel is already monetized, and we can see that it's doing quite well even at this early stage. In the past 27 days, a really good revenue has been earned from YouTube, an amount that could even be someone's monthly income. If we look at these videos, we can see that a lot of people enjoy them. These animated videos are in a great niche on YouTube. Creating videos like this is actually very easy. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to make these kinds of videos. All the tools you need are linked below in the description. So before we get started, make sure to give the video a like and get ready to dive in. Let's see how to create viral videos like this on YouTube. Alright, in today's video, I'll be showing you step by step. First, how to generate the prompt, then how to create the image using that prompt, and finally, how to edit the video in a viral style. Alright, let's get started by generating the first prompt. The first thing you need to do is go to this YouTube channel and take a screenshot of a video like this. Then, go straight to ChatGPT, paste the screenshot you captured, and give it the prompt I've shared in the description. I want to create these types of AI videos, so give me a unique 5 prompts to generate these types of videos 8K. After that, you can select the number of prompts you want. Here, I'll be giving it as 5 prompts. Then, ChatGPT will generate some super creative ideas for you, and you'll be able to see the results. Alright, then let's move on to the second step. Today, the website I'm using to generate our video is called Pixverse. It's an AI-powered site that helps us create content very effectively. The best part is, it gives you 70 free credits per day, which you can use to create videos. First, what you need to do is click once on Generate Video. Then, you'll see a page like this. In the text box below, paste the first prompt we generated from ChatGPT. After that, there are a few mandatory settings on the left side. Select the resolution. Remember to set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Then, select a sound if needed. You can also tweak any other available settings as per your preference. Once that's done, click on the Create button. Now you'll see it's starting to generate the video. Creating one video usually uses around 20 to 40 credits. So, this is how we create a video using this method. So, in this way, we can generate videos for the rest of the prompts using this website. If you like, there are subscription options available too, which you can check out. Personally, I think this website is quite advanced for the prices they offer. But it's up to you. This is how we generate our videos, and not many people are using this method yet. It takes just around 15 to 30 seconds to generate a single video. Alright then, let's move on and see how to complete our final step, editing the video. So for this, I'm using CapCut, which is something anyone can use. First, import all the videos we generated into CapCut. The first thing we need to do is set the video to a long format. For that, go to the aspect ratio option and select 16:9. Once selected, the content will now be adjusted for long-form videos. Next, there's sound. You can add suitable transitions from the top transitions menu. Then, there are other options like filters, effects, etc. You can add any effects you like this way. I also added a few effects like this. Then, if you want, you can add adjustment layers from here to take your content to the next level. Alright, that's how I finished editing. Now, export the video from here. This is the final video we created. You can now upload this to your YouTube channel. So, what did you think about today's video? Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to drop a comment. See you in the next video with another awesome one.